Are you looking to combine SEO tools with Google Search Console to supercharge your website's performance? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the most out of both by connecting powerful SEO tools with Google Search Console data so you can track your SEO progress like a pro. Stick around to the end for an exclusive free trial of the SEO tool I recommend, just for viewers of my channel. Let's get into it. The first step is making sure your Google Search Console account is set up. If you haven't connected it to your site yet, go ahead and do that. Google Search Console gives you invaluable data on how your site performs in search results, like impressions, clicks, and keyword rankings. But on its own, it's just a starting point. Now here's the magic: integrating Google Search Console data with your SEO tool. Most SEO tools, like SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Moz, allow you to import Google Search Console data directly. For example, if you're using SEMrush, you can link your Google Search Console account under the Project Settings tab. Once connected, you'll see your site's organic search data alongside SEMrush's keyword tracking and analysis. Why does this matter? Because combining SEO tools with Google Search Console provides you with a more complete view of your site's SEO health. Instead of manually switching between tabs or tools, you can analyze your keyword performance, find optimization opportunities, and track how your changes impact rankings, all in one place. Let's talk about what happens next: keyword tracking. After linking your Google Search Console to your SEO tool, it's time to pull in the data for your top performing keywords. SEO tools let you track the specific keywords you're ranking for in Google Search Console and identify opportunities to improve. These tools can show you how those keywords are performing over time and give you suggestions on how to optimize your content for even better results. For example, Ahrefs has a Search Console section where you can pull keyword data from Google Search Console and monitor changes in rankings. You can then see which keywords are bringing traffic and which ones need work. You'll also get a list of keywords you could target to improve your ranking. Next, let's talk about backlinks. SEO tools usually provide more detailed insights into your backlink profile, but when you combine it with Google Search Console, you get an even more powerful picture. Google Search Console shows you the backlinks Google has detected, and using an SEO tool, you can analyze these backlinks to see which ones are helping or hurting your rankings. This is also where you can uncover technical issues that might be holding your site back, like crawl errors or slow loading pages. SEO tools can help you fix these, but Google Search Console is the source of truth when it comes to identifying problems in the first place. To wrap things up, one of the best things about combining SEO tools with Google Search Console is how it streamlines your SEO workflow. All the data is in one place, saving you time and making your strategy more data-driven. You can track your keyword performance, monitor your backlinks, and fix issues faster than ever before. So, what's the key takeaway here? The combination of Google Search Console with an SEO tool is a game changer. It gives you better insights into your site's performance, helps you track your rankings more accurately, and provides you with all the information you need to improve your SEO strategy. Before you go, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of the SEO tool I recommend in the description below. This offer is only available for viewers of my channel, so make sure you take advantage of it if you want to follow along with these steps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the link in the description to get started.